Did you know that a child's brain has its most substantial growth during the first 5 years? Children are naturally curious and possess a keen desire to explore their surroundings. Interesting, isn't it? To facilitate the growth and development of a child, preschool education is important as it sets the foundation for lifelong learning, behavior, and health. The experiences children gain in their early childhood education help develop their brain and capacity to learn. It also shows them how to get along with others and respond to their surroundings. To ensure balanced and well-structured learning, an age-appropriate curriculum along with appropriate instructional techniques and strategies should be designed for preschool children. The teaching-learning environment in a preschool should focus on nurturing curiosity among young learners, developing skills at an early age, and providing a learning environment that is stimulating and safe. The way we teach preschoolers creates a deep impact on their cognitive and skill development. This is exactly what parents look for in a learning environment. But how do we focus on the holistic development of children while ensuring the best teaching-learning practices? If you've been puzzling over how to make learning joyful, engaging, and stimulating for your preschool students, along with providing the right tools and guidance to teachers, we have got you covered. Tinker is a holistic 360-degree curriculum integrated with technology that fulfills all the academic requirements of a preschool and ensures proper training and professional development of the teachers. The curriculum has incorporated the best practices from global pedagogical methods in early childhood education. Tinker caters to children in the age group of 2.5 to 6 years, and it covers 3 levels: Primer, Primer A, and Primer B. Let us have a brief look at each of the components of Tinker. The first component of Tinker is the Tinker Box. Each Tinker Box consists of 4 elements, namely monthly books, notebooks, AR course books, and art and craft books. There are 7 books in the box. Each book covers the concepts of language, math, colors, shapes, general awareness, stories, rhymes, and fine motor activities. The monthly books are very attractive with high-quality paper and lucid, colorful images to inspire curiosity and creativity in children. Also, the structured presentation of topics in the form of stories, comic strips, rhymes, and more ensure learning in a natural way and helps children relate concepts to everyday life. To develop handwriting skills at an early age, there are ready-to-write notebooks for English, maths, and general awareness. To create a learning environment that is engaging and based on real-life examples, Tinkerbox has incorporated augmented reality experience in the coursebook to bring the pictures of animals and objects alive in a classroom or at home. To develop creativity, Tinker has art and craft books. These books have activities pertaining to coloring, pasting, drawing, and craftwork that help children hone their motor skills, improve their eye-hand coordination, develop their muscles, and strengthen their visual and spatial learning. The second component of Tinker is monthly assessments. These are oral and written assessments for each month that help the teachers track the learning achievements of a child easily. In addition to these, Resource Kit is an important component of Tinker. It offers age-appropriate and child-friendly teaching learning material in the form of flashcards, tactile letter cards, stick puppets, and posters. This facilitates cognitive development and enables a smooth transition to primary schools. Another component of Tinker is the Mentor Manual for Teachers that provides guidance on how to use Tinker curriculum and implement it effectively in classrooms. The method of teaching in the early grades as per this manual aims to boost child-centric playful learning among children in preschools. Tinker books are also available in digitized format in the Next Curriculum app. This ensures that learning continues beyond the classroom and children can learn at their own pace and convenience. A good preschool program will not only reinforce and expand the desire for learning in students, but also help you build a trusted brand for quality education. Tinker with all its wonderful components will essentially help you achieve this.